Hello teachers and my dear friend. My name is Nandini. I am studying in 3rd B. My school name is JC School. Today I am going to talk about plants. Plants are boon to human beings. They give out oxygen which keeps us alive. They reduce environment pollution. Food from plants give us energy to work and play. They give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oils, medicines, etc. We get yummy chocolate also from plants. We have a beautiful terrace garden at my home. I take care of them by regularly watering. Now I will tell you different parts of a plant. The two main parts are shoot system and root system. Shoot system grows above the ground. It contains stem, branches, fruits, leaves and flowers. Leaf is the most important part of a plant. It is in green in color. It performs photosynthesis. Flowers are different shapes, sizes and colors. They became fruits. Fruits contain seeds. Seeds help the plant to reproduce. Roots system grow below the ground. It contains roots. Roots hold the soil and fix the plant. There are two types of roots: taproot and fibrous root. Taproot is the main root which grows from the base of the stem. Fibrous roots are small roots that grow from the base of the stem. Plants are very useful. Please grow them.